YouTube, what's happening, what it is, and what it do, man. This your boy, Sneakerhead Money Mitch, back at you, back like I never left. Back with another unboxing. You see the SKU, 170 price point, women's size 12, equivalent to a men's 10 and a half. You see the box. Without further ado, let's get it, man. She say money ain't gon' make it. That nigga ain't got no record deal, but I'm living straight. Gotta hop down street from Holyfield, grind and get the cake. Tryna cash out on a couple meal, poker face. So fresh about that bitch. Oh, yes, sure. Yes, sure. We got, bro, off the top, bro. Let me zoom in. Bro, this thing so smooth. Smooth, soft, man. I know y'all see it. I ain't even gotta pull the other shoe. God, out yet. God, this thing is clean. Yes, sir. These is gas, bro. I ain't even gonna try to hype these up. All right, let's go ahead and get our specs. Nike box. Anything else coming to you guys? Sticker yon. You know how your boy do. But that ain't what we came for. We did not come for this box. We came for these guys right here. So, if y'all would so kindly, let me set these up real quick. Give me a little thumbnail going. He did. All right, let's talk about it. So let's jump straight into these guys. Man, so do y'all feel it? Let me see if y'all can feel it. Y'all feel it? These things soft. Nah, but check me. Look, man, these things is tumble. Good, smooth, soft tumble leather, man, on these guys. No cap. You did. These things is gas, bro. All right, let's jump straight to it, man. You already know what's happening. I seen enough of these guys. We got black Tizon, black tongue, hints of red, which on the Nike, and the check on the tongue accents, or tongue logo, whatever you want to call them. Rest of the tongue is black mesh. You did. Flat, black laces do come standard inside these guys. Then we got that soft red toe on these guys, followed by toe accents, which is black, which wrap around to pretty much the whole entire upper, following with hints of that blue, which on the top and lower panel of the upper heel. Check is in blue as well. You did. Midsole is white, outsole is red. So they don't want to move too fast, but I kind of want to give y'all a breakdown of the shoe before we talk about it. So, of course, y'all keep hearing me say, the leather's soft. The leather's so soft. Yes, sir, it is, man. You did. You see how tumble it is. I just want to make sure y'all pick it up. That picks up for you guys. Then we got kind of like a leather hang tag, which says Nike Air on both sides. You did. No additional laces seem to come in these guys. Take out the insole of the left shoe. You have a blue insert, Nike Airs in black. Then you take out the insole insert of the right shoe. The insole is opposite, which is red. Nike Airs in black, blue, red, blue. Then everybody wants to know about production dates, all this. I love to mess with me about stuff like this, man. You see what's happening. If you can't see it, screenshot, pause it, whatever you gotta do. But now jumping into the rest of the shoe. Soft ass toe box on these guys, no cap. Clean leather, man. This is one of the cleaner and softer leathers that we had in the Jordan 1 in a little minute. I think it's better than pretty much all the standard ones that came out last year. Women, men, everybody going for them, man. Leave your thoughts, comments, and opinion. This is a good Valentine's Day gift to have. I'm pretty sure there's going to be so many people rocking these things together, especially for people like myself who weren't lucky to get the top threes, the original ones. This is a good alternate choice. I know they don't flip flop, but it's pretty much the same color scheme: blue, red, white, black. You did. And also, if you forgot to get the Fearless or couldn't get the Fearless one or didn't want the patent leather, it's another good alternate to have. Same kind of like thing. Chi-Town to NYC, NYC to Chi-Town. But man, it's enough of me rambling, man. It's your boy Sneaker Head Money Mitch. Y'all like seeing early quick reviews, all that good stuff, man. Join the money gang. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We trying to run up the goal of 1,000. Matter of fact, 1,000 was last year. We trying to run up a goal of 2,000 this year, man, so we can start doing these giveaways and a whole bunch of dope stuff, man. So if you rock with your boy, man, drop a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Let somebody else know about the kid, man. You did. But ain't gonna hold y'all too long. Like your boy always tell you, at the end of the day, at the end of the day, make sure every last one of y'all like what you rock what you like. It's been your boy screaming, cha-ching, gang gang, man. I'm out.
They say money ain't gon' make it. That nigga ain't got no record deal, but I'm living straight. Gotta hop down street from Holyfield, grind and get the cake. Tryna cash out on a couple mil, poker face on.